These small dark brown insects prefer temperatures of 65 to 80 degrees and humidity levels of 75 to 85%. So for some areas of the country, fleas on dogs are more than just a summer problem. In many areas of the southern United States, fleas can survive and bother your pet year around. But you don't panic. I have the solution, but before I directly dive to the solution, please do subscribe this channel for more amazing content in the future. So to make this remedy, first ingredient you will need is dish soap for cleaning, pest control and more serves as a powerful weapons against fleas. The chemical in the dish soap cut through the fleas. Simply add 2 teaspoons of dish soap in a bowl of water. The next ingredient I'm using is lemon juice. Will not only save your money but also serve as a useful flea treatment. Lemon juice is acidic and creates an unfavorable environment for the fleas. Just add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to it. The last ingredient I'm adding is apple cider vinegar. Turn dish soap and apple cider vinegar are 2 powerful ingredients that can help your banish fleas. The dish soap kills the existing fleas while the apple cider vinegar provides an unpleasant environment for fleas. Simply add half cup of apple cider vinegar to this bowl. Shake it well to ensure the ingredients are all mixed well. Soak your dog with warm water. Apply the solution to your dog's body starting from the ear to the tail. Massage the solution over your dog's body and then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water and dry your dog. Use a flea comb to check if there are any fleas left. Bath your dog with it once a week. This solution will stay good for 6 weeks when stored in a cool, dry place. I hope this remedy will work for you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing our channel for more videos like that. Thank you.